Deep within the Milky Way lies a hidden world where stars are born in the shadows of interstellar dust. This mysterious region, shrouded in darkness, is a place of cosmic creation and chaos. Despite its darkness, this region is teeming with energy, as gravity pulls gas and dust together to form the next generation of stars. This region is not visible to the naked eye, but with powerful telescopes, we can see the glow of infant stars piercing through the veil of dust. Scientists call this region a star-forming region, but it is more than just a cradle for stars. It is a living, breathing cosmic laboratory. This hidden world is a reminder that the universe is full of mysteries, waiting to be uncovered by curious minds. Stars are born from the collapse of massive clouds of gas and dust, a process that can take millions of years to complete. As the cloud collapses, it begins to spin faster, forming a dense core that will eventually become a star. The heat and pressure at the core increase dramatically, causing nuclear fusion to begin and light to be emitted for the first time. This newly formed star, still in its infancy, is surrounded by a disk of leftover material that may form planets in the future. This is the moment when a star is born, but its journey is only beginning, a long, complex life among the stars. Interstellar dust is both a barrier and a shield, hiding the light of newborn stars from our view while also playing a key role in their formation. Dust particles absorb and scatter light, making it difficult for astronomers to see what lies within these dense clouds. However, by using infrared telescopes, scientists can peer through the dust and witness the hidden glow of baby stars. These observations have revealed that star formation is not a rare event, but a common and ongoing process throughout the galaxy. Understanding how dust interacts with light is crucial for unraveling the mysteries of the universe. Dark matter may play a hidden but essential role in the formation of stars and galaxies, even though it cannot be seen or directly observed. Although dark matter does not interact with light, its gravitational pull can shape the clouds of gas and dust where stars are born. Studies suggest that without the gravitational assistance of dark matter, star formation in the early universe may not have been possible. Dark matter may act as a cosmic scaffolding, providing the structure needed for gas to collapse and form stars. While we cannot see dark matter, its presence is felt everywhere, especially in the birthplaces of stars. This star-forming region will continue to give birth to new stars for millions of years, shaping the future of our galaxy. As the gas and dust are consumed, the region will eventually quiet down, becoming a place of old stars and remnants. In time, the region will be home to mature stars and planetary systems, the legacy of its once vibrant nursery. The stars formed here will travel across the galaxy, influencing the space around them and contributing to the evolution of the Milky Way. This hidden nursery is not only a cradle of stars, but a blueprint for the future of the universe itself. This mysterious region has been a silent witness to the birth of countless stars, each one a testament to the power of gravity and cosmic forces. It reminds us that the universe is not just a vast expanse of empty space, but a dynamic, ever-changing tapestry of creation and destruction. The stars formed here will one day become the building blocks of planets, life, and even the possibility of intelligent civilizations. This hidden nursery may never be seen with the naked eye, but its story is one that shapes the very fabric of the cosmos. Its legacy will live on in the stars, the planets, and the endless mystery of the universe.